Thanks to the Wi-Fi package, you can communicate constantly with your machine. For example, you can send the desired menu that is displayed on the 5-inch display, and in this way you can suggest the customer's menu of the day. It will be as simple as sharing a photo on social network, and in a few clicks you can offer the perfect consummation according to the freshest products to your needs or the season. If there is snow and you want to recommend brioche and a cappuccino, or the sun is well matched to an espresso shaken, my concept will be your perfect ally. Now I will show you how Lisa sent the menus to my concept. Once selected my concept to where you want to send the menu, select slideshow and take our menu to install on your machine. Follow for the next episode.
My concept for your concept.